How is it going, everybody? Today's the big day, August 20th, and my Google Pixel 11 Pro XL has showed up. Let's get this thing unboxed. So, ready? And we're unboxing straight from the cardboard, all right? Come in here. Alrighty. So here we go. They put it in a little, like the sandwich wrap, right? Like I'm just getting back from the deli and my sandwich is in here. All right, so let's go. Get this thing going here. And ladies and gentlemen, here we are. Oh, look at that. And the box matches the color. I got the olive. And yeah, so let's go. Let's go a little further. All right, so you can see the little unboxing thing right there. To pull the little tab so you can get to your phone. Alrighty. First time I've done an unboxing video like this on screen, by the way. So put this down like this. So here we are like that. All right, now we're gonna do this. And I'm really happy I get to share this with you all, so you guys can actually see the joy, right? Because usually I do like a tabletop video, and you guys can't see the expressions, right? So this is cool. Alrighty, so here we are, pulling it out of the box, being careful not to drop it, of course. Alrighty, here we are. Let's just slide it. Okay, here we are, pulling all this apart. Let's look at this color. Oh yeah. Shout out to Delavan Digital. Delavan Digital. I got this because of you right here. You got the green going on. This is like your stuff. So Team Delavan in the building. But here we are. That is a beautiful, beautiful color. I got my Pixel 10 Pro XL right here in the Moonstone. This color right here is banging. But anyway, put this back over here. Get back to the main character of the show. All right, here we are. Looks beautiful. Let's do a little comparison. You can see a little bit difference. You can see like on the Moonstone, they got the color there. The color over here is like not there. Anyway, so put this back over here. Now in the box, we get this. Now I want to say, I just wish they'd give us a charger. Just put a little charging block in there, right? We're paying a lot of money here. We're paying like what, $1,300 total? I mean, included with everything. So put a little charging block in there. That'd be nice. But that's neither here nor there. I just want to put that out there. Okay, I'm from the old school, so you guys have to bear with me on this. But here we are. I cannot wait to get this thing booted up and get everything transferred over and get the show rolling with the Pixel 11 Pro XL. I'm excited. I'm excited for the new processor. I wanted to see how it does. I'm excited for the new modem. I'm really curious about the connectivity, and we're gonna go from there. And of course, I'm always pumped up about the camera upgrades and the software improvements and everything that Google has going on as far as Gemini and their software. Should be exciting. All right, everybody.